Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is another group collab, and this collab is going to be a palette bingo. I have a couple friends who've done palette bingos and I've seen them just floating around in general, and I always thought that they'd be interesting to do. So I asked a couple friends to see if they wanted to do a palette bingo, so we ended up deciding to collab on this, and I will leave the playlist link down below so you guys can go check out everybody's look. The only rules for the palette bingo is that we're all doing an 18 pan palette and that we are picking 5 numbers. We initially thought about doing the same palette, but then we're like, not everybody has the same palette. So if you want to see what I end up coming up with, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to be using this palette today. I love it so much and I just haven't used it lately, so we're definitely going to use this one and see what we can come up with, because there's so many different ways this can turn out. Alright, so I have the Pretty Random app pulled up and I'm going to make the shades 1 through 18 and randomize. 49 is not 1 through 18. Okay. We got the shades 4, 9, 14, 17, and we already got 14 and 1. Alright, so let me go swatch those 5 shades on my hand and we will try to come up with a look. So we have the shades right here. Ranch for number 1. Number 4 is Diet Root Beer. Number 9 is Food Videos. Number 14 is Diet Cola. And then number 17 is Illuminati. This is what these shades are swatched on the back of my hand. Alright, so I'm just going to take my MAC paint pot first and prime my lids. To Diet Root Beer and just use this as a transition and crease shade. And then I'm just going to take Diet Root Beer again on a smaller brush and run this on the lower lash line. Looking at the shades on the back of my hand, I think most of these shades we got when we had to do the Conspiracy Palette Challenge that Jasmine came up with. So I was initially going to put the green on the lid, but then I think that it's going to be too similar. So I'm going to do something different, because I think at least 3 of these shades were in that challenge. I know the yellow wasn't, but I know for sure that Illuminati and Diet Root Beer, and I'm pretty sure Ranch was in there too. So I definitely don't want to do the same kind of look. So I'm going to pack the yellow on the lid and see what happens. I packed it on with my finger to get a little more bang with the yellow, and I'm just going to go back into Diet Root Beer and just blend it a little bit since I got in the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bit of Illuminati and just pack this on the outer corner to deepen it. Alright, so now I'm going to take Diet Cola and I'm going to pop this in the center of the lid for a little shimmer. I honestly do not like this look at all. but I have no idea what to do with these colors. So this is what we came up with, and I'm not a fan should have done like the yellow in the inner corner or something else, but whatever. We're this far already. I have one. Go into the last shade, which is Ranch, and we're going to use this as an inner corner highlight. Alright, so I am not a fan. I'm going to try something else right now. I'm going to take a little bit more of food videos and blend out the crease shade with it, just to still incorporate the yellow, but do something different, because I do not like this lid look at all. And then I'm going to take more Ranch and pop this on the inner corner of the lid, just to try to cover up some of that yellow. Diet Cola. Alright, so let me go put on some liner, mascara, finish off my face, and then I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I definitely like how the look ended up turning out versus where it started with the yellow on the lid. I definitely think it made the eyes more grungy, and it just has like the mustardy, pukey, yellowy green tinge to it. And yeah, I definitely think I saved the look compared to how it was before with the yellow on the lid. So let me know what you guys think of the look. How would you guys have done your eyeshadow using these colors? And yeah. And the playlist will be linked down below, so make sure you go check out all the other girls' videos. I'm actually interested to see if everybody used a Jeffree palette or not, because that came to mind when I 18 pan palette. We figured like 12 would be too small and like 25, 30 might be too much. And a lot of us do have Jeffree palettes, so I'm definitely interested to see if any of us used these same palettes and if everybody used Jeffree, or if someone else had like another 18 pan palette. To check out all the girls down below and go subscribe to their channels and watch their videos. Enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Baby, honestly, it's harder breathing next to you. I share a gun and as a picture.